very early. Maybe there'll be like a koala bear or something.
We're moving slowish.
We've got about 700K left to go. Oh, it's crazy fast. I don't know about you, but my dogs are barking.
Yeah. Poco, poco.
Beautiful pterodactyl forest. All of our expenses will be at the end. And well, we're gonna throw a rock through a window, climb into a bar and pour our own beer. Well, good early morning. It is just a hair after 6 a.m. We are leaving Reba de Sayas now, heading to another town. 37K today. So I think our plan for today, Sam, is to just keep moving. You can't sit there and take a whole bunch of photos and videos and stuff like you did yesterday.
Oh God.
Maybe that was me.
2 hours of walking.
Yeah, at least. So today, we're not gonna enjoy the views, we're just gonna keep moving. For example, Sam's already got our very healthy breakfast in hand. We go in donuts. She's finally allowing me to have donuts. That's the plan. Can't make it long. We're walking across the beautiful bridge now, and I guess it's beautiful.
We can't even
really
see the
anything.
water. There's some boats out there though.
There are some boats, and they're all lit up. Well, I'm Chad.
And I'm Sam.
We are the AZ Nomads, and this is the Camino del Norte. Very early.
Now let's ride. We go out to catch the waves, to catch the waves. Let it carry you, carry you. Let it carry you, carry you. A story we will remember forever.
Coming with you, baby. Just keep walking though, don't look. So it's 6:30 in the morning. Sam's shoes are the loudest thing on the planet.
What the hell is that? What the hell is that? Is that you?
Whole neighborhood's gonna wake up to hear Sam squeaking along. And it's Sunday morning at 6:30 down this beautiful road. So walking in this darkness, does this remind you of anything?
It reminds me of our last night on the Frances.
Right?
Yeah.
Where we gotta, at least we have a path this time.
At least at least it's not dirt. It's not all muddy.
Right.
So remember, it was really muddy and,
was.
and big puddles that we were trying to get around. And we only had one headlamp.
Yeah,
So that made it tough.
definitely a lot better. Definitely way less spiders.
Yeah.
So we'll tell you guys that story a little later. Walking through this kind of cool eucalyptus forest
Yeah.
with the ocean right there through it all. Really kind of cool. Like, I've never seen a setting like this, have you?
No, it's
Yeah, even
absolutely beautiful. It smells really good.
It really does. I didn't even notice that. Maybe there'll be like a koala bear or something. Wrong continent?
I think so, honey.
All right. I can even see a little beach down there and everything. How's the walk been so far? We're about, what, 8:45. We're moving.
We're moving slowish.
Poco a
but
poco.
We had to stop a couple times for some stuff.
Yeah, little things.
Yeah.
I think we've seen 2 people.
Yeah.
No hikers. We walked a pretty long ways on the N635, the highway here. I don't think we saw a car. So I think we're very thankful to be doing this on a Sunday morning
Yes,
because
absolutely.
there's not a whole lot of traffic going on. Beautiful birds singing in the background. Sam doesn't like birds.
No, that bird's fine. Those crows, though, they're annoying.
Sam always reminds me of, like, there's a scene in Friends where Phoebe's boyfriend shoots the bird out the window.
Bad. Wait just a second.
Okay.
That would be Sam.
Be like, shut up, man, I'm trying to sleep.
We've got about 700K left to go, so we'll just keep on walking.
All right, let's go.
Sam, let's see it. She looks nervous. Oh, it's crazy fast. Look at her go, look at her go. Hi, Sam. Can you dismount? Oh, look at she's.
That was fun.
So we are here in the little town of Colunga. It's actually a little bit more sizable than I thought. Looks like there's a couple things open, thankfully. We're sitting here by the road. We got a cafe con leche and a aquarius. Sam has put together a couple gourmet sandwiches for us. We're about 18K in, which will put us a bit over halfway, which is good. We made some really good time this morning. It's about 11 o'clock, so we were walking for, is that 5 hours? That's about right. So we got about another 5 to go. I was expect us to get in around 4. That might be optimistic because I'm guessing we'll slow down a little bit because we're a little tired. Ironically, we've already walked more today than we did all day yesterday. Downside is 18 or so K in, and this was our first stop, first respite, first anything. So I don't know about you, but my dogs are barking.
Yep, I'm ready to eat.
Sam's ready to eat, so video's over. Time for a quick little update. It's about 11:30. We kind of chewed those sandwiches. I think we pretty much inhaled those
I'm
sandwiches.
so hungry.
Yeah, we were definitely hungry. They were good. Sam makes a mean sandwich, especially since it finally wasn't salami. So we've still got a long ways to go still. Right now we're walking on nice flat ground surrounded by apples everywhere. It's kind of nice. Can't reach any of them. I think all the ones that you could reach have already been eaten. We're going to Villa Viscosa tonight.
Oh, that's pretty good. I think you're right.
Something in that ballpark. I don't know. The town is really known since the 14th century. No, not too much history. Has had the same name, and it's known as really fertile land, and I guess it's really known for apples. So all the cider apples, the best ones I guess come from this town, and obviously Asturias is famous for their cider. So we haven't had any cider yet. I take that back. I had one thing of cider natural and it was not very good, but I think that's just what I ordered, and I ordered it at that place that was a terrible restaurant.
Terrible reviews.
Yeah, so we're hoping, if we're not too exhausted tonight, hoping to get it in around 4. That's the dream. But we have 3 good-sized climbs ahead of us. But if we get in, we're hoping to go to a little cideria tonight and maybe try some cider. Because, you know, if we're here, we've got to try it. But we have our fatigue and Sunday working against us.
Yeah.
But we'll find out. That's the update. Oh, also, no more ocean. We are done with seeing the coast, which is kind of sad.
Yeah.
But we've got a new adventure starting, I guess tomorrow technically, huh? Tomorrow, the next day, something like that. So we're looking forward to that.
Poco, poco.
Walk so far today has been up and down. I mean, literally, hilly. There's been a couple little hilly parts. It actually hasn't been bad. We had one pretty good sized climb, but it wasn't very steep.
No, it wasn't. It was a lot easier than I anticipated.
If that was the big climb.
Yeah.
Yeah, that should have been it by then. Very opposite of yesterday. Yesterday we had a whole bunch of short climbs, but they're very steep. You had to use your hands and climb up. Today's climbs have been much, much longer, but not very steep at all and on great terrain. We are now going through this really cool foresty area. It's been really nice. There's monkeys.
Pterodactyls.
Sam's convinced a pterodactyl is gonna come get us. All day long, she's been worried about a pterodactyl. Now we're going through this really beautiful pterodactyl forest. We're still, I think we're 9K out. Not bad. Oh, all right.
Still?
8.5K. That way it sounds
Holy
better.
moly, I thought we were like 5 out. Oh well, that's okay.
Well, either way, we should still get in somewhere around 4.
Okay.
So, however many Ks that is, It's 9. Should work out well. I think it's 1:30 now or something like that. So we're moving along pretty well today. Sam's cooking. Her knees. How's your knee been feeling?
Fine. I think I have like a brand new knee all of a sudden.
Yeah, it's great. So I think she was just slacking off the first few days. Yeah, so been a nice day. Now the next hope is just the weather holds. Come on, weather, hold. We were supposed to have a storm front coming in around 12:31. It's 1:30 now. All right, here we go. So it's a little surreal. We are here in Via Viscosa. I'm not really sure where we are, something like that. And we got here at 3, full hour before best case scenario. So that just shows you how well Sam did. It is a ghost town. Like we got in, not only is it Sunday, but it's siesta time on a Sunday. We passed 4 or 5 bars, all closed. There's nobody out walking around. I mean, you see here as we're passing in a minute, we got a whole bunch of tables and chairs and umbrellas. Nothing out. Cafe across the street closed. But it seems like a cute enough little town. Yeah. For some reason they got a whole bunch of chickens in the middle of town. That's weird.
They do.
But
we should go see them.
So we're gonna go through and see if we can find somewhere to sit because my legs are tired. We got a ridiculous number of steps today, so I'll wait till the end and we will put it up on the screen. But now, if it's possible, we're gonna go find a beer.
Yes,
and if we can't find one, we're gonna throw a rock through a window, climb into a bar and pour our own beer.
We decided to try the cider, so we're at a cideria. What did you think of it?
It's okay. I don't know. It doesn't taste strong at all, but apparently there's 6% alcohol in it.
Yeah.
Which is stronger than most of the beers that we drink. I'm pretty sure.
Definitely strong.
But it doesn't taste like a beer. It tastes like cider a little bit, but like there's no sugar. It's like not sweet at all.
The whole bottle here was €4. And they're all like high pours. That's the proper way to pour here, apparently. We went to another restaurant. God, the food was good there. Like, what did you think?
It was so good. I've been craving the Caesar salad, like a good Caesar salad.
Yeah.
Not the Caesar salad we had last night from
Oh,
this store.
God.
It's bad, but I ate it all because I was hungry. This Caesar salad was so good.
And I had pretty sure it's called a thingamabob.
That was even better.
It was, I think it's the first time we've ever said my food is better than yours.
Yeah.
Like, whatever that was. So it was really good. Oh, with the no look and everything.
Gracias.
And it was very reasonable prices. Because everything else, you know, they give you the prices in town. Everything here in this town as well is 20 to 30 euros. And that was the 1 to 10 euros. And I think my thing that I got was 6.50. Your Caesars was 9 euros, which is a bit high, but this Caesar is huge. Guess we still have to give you a recap of the day and how our long day went, 37 plus K. We have a lot of steps. You have to stick to the end to find out the exact number. Tomorrow we're gonna have to explain tomorrow, so stay tuned what we're doing. We're changing things up a little bit tomorrow. We're going a little bit off Camino and then back on Camino. No, we're not doing like Coleman style where we're cruising like the Colemans and taking taxis and helicopters and buses and whatever except for the walking.
So we're taking a train.
So we took a metro out here.
And we took a little shortcut to get here by bus.
Because the weather was crappy, so we all hopped in a taxi. Even though yesterday we took a train.
And we decided to take a taxi.
Whoa. I don't think we should get judgmental here.
No judgment thrown at all. No shade, as our kid would say. Not throwing any shade. I don't know.
All right, this may sound a little weird, but that was probably one of the best 37K hikes I've ever had.
Yeah, it was pretty good. It was a good day. I liked it.
So I started the day being very optimistic because I was afraid my wife was going to be mad at me. I said yesterday was a very long, short day. And today's going to be a very short, long day. And it was a short, long day. We walked for, we thought it was going to be 12 hours. Optimistically be 10. And we got in at 9. So it's hard to argue that. And what was the final step count of the day? Oh, shit.
Fucking, I don't know, more than yours. I was at like 55,000. I didn't know you were going to ask me. I would have brought my watch over here.
Well, so we're at about 55,000 steps for the day. It's about 10 o'clock now, and we're definitely ready to go to sleep. For all of you who have followed the shit show for this far, we appreciate you. We love you. Thank you. Consider a like and subscribe. We will continue the shit show tomorrow. Appreciate you all following us, and as always, all of our expenses will be at the end. Have a great night. If you're thinking about doing a Camino, do one. If you think it would suck, it's gonna suck. Love you all. Good night.
Love you. Buenas noches. You're so good.